Yo, yo, yo! What's up, everyone? Quiz Alien is back with another super fun challenge. Get those listening ears ready because today's game is Guess the Logo by the Sound. Aliens collected 40 famous logo sounds, and you'll only have 8 seconds to guess each one before the timer hits 0. Think you've got amazing ears? Let's find out if you can conquer every single round. Before we jump in, let's give a huge shout out to all of our awesome viewers. You completely filled the comments in the last video, and Alien had so much fun reading your guesses. Want your comment to appear in our next challenge? Comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're always ready for the next game. All right, ready? Turn up the volume and let's play! Our first sound is coming up. Can you guess this logo? It's McDonald's! That first point came easy! Calling all gamers, listen carefully. Correct! Roblox! That one was super easy. What logo is this? Awesome! That's YouTube Kids! Great job! Which TV is playing YouTube? Nice tracking skills! TVB is the correct one. This sound is everywhere these days. What is it? TikTok! You caught that one fast. Listen closely. Can you name this app? You got it! Snapchat! Nice listening! Burger King, you're on a roll.
Have it your way.
What logo do you hear this time? That's right! Netflix! One of the most iconic intros ever! Quick question for you guys. Are you Team Netflix or Team Disney Plus? If you're all about Netflix, smash that like button. But if Disney Plus is your favorite, show your team some love by hitting subscribe. Can you recognize this app just from the sound? Easy points. It's Instagram. Here's another iconic movie intro. Listen closely. Fantastic! That's Universal Pictures! This next one sounds super familiar. Angry Birds! Those birds are impossible to forget. Time to put your memory to the test. Keep the characters in mind. Now, who just disappeared? Boom! Chuck was the one who disappeared. Who's ready for the next round? You nailed it! Super Mario! What logo is this? Exactly! Coca-Cola! Too easy. It's Nickelodeon. Here's a sound that's impossible to forget. Among Us! That answer wasn't sus at all. Quick challenge! Line up 3 red crewmates in a row! Go! How many tries did it take you? Comment below! Try guessing this next sound. Waka waka waka, that's Pac-Man! guess this one?
You've got a friend in me.
Toy Story! You got a friend in me!
You've got a friend in me.
What's your guess for this one? That sound belongs to Ferrari! Here's another popular messaging app. You know this one. It's Viber. Which group has the odd one out? A, B, C, or D? It's C. This logo doesn't show up anywhere else. We've reached round 24. That's Candy Crush Saga. Guess this logo sound.
Commit to the rainbow, taste the rainbow. Commit to the rainbow, taste the rainbow.
Skittles! Sweet answer.
Commit to the rainbow, taste the rainbow. Commit to the rainbow, taste the rainbow.
Gamers should recognize this one in seconds. Plants vs. Zombies. There are 3 tiny differences. Can you find them all? Outstanding! 1, 2, 3! You spotted every difference! Here's another famous one. Think you know it?
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
Little Caesars. Pizza, pizza.
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
Can you identify this logo? That cheerful sound is Ping Pong. Let's keep the streak going. You knew it! Tubi! Do you know this one? Absolutely! SpongeBob SquarePants! Who can pass through the wall? Only Patrick Star can do it. Round 33. Creative kids should know this one.
Toca boca.
That's the sound of Toca Boca.
Toca boca.
What logo makes this sound?
Introducing Crazy.
Crazy Art is the correct answer.
Introducing Crazy.
How about this one? Disney! Some sounds are unforgettable. Who's the intruder in this Disney house? It's E! Poe is from DreamWorks, not Disney. Back to the sounds. Which logo is this? Only one answer. It's Oreo. Careful, this next one tricks lots of players.
We're on a roll, so here we go.
But not you! That's Paw Patrol.
We're on a roll, so here we go.
Have you heard this one before? That's definitely Hulu. Listen one last time. Can you guess the final logo? Alien's super curious to see your guess. Leave it down below. That's a wrap on today's challenge. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another quiz alien adventure. Keep the game going, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Bye, everyone!